So let's walk through like how we would do that. And when you're constructing these evals, you're going to really, really, really use Gen AI a lot to construct them. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to go over to a terminal window I have open here, and I'm using Codex. Any of the tools will work. I have it on 5.3 Spark low because I want it to be fast for this demonstration. But you can use any model, anything you like, and for this task, this will be fine. So what I have here, and I pre-baked some of these just to kind of make it go faster, but I want to walk through any step anyway, is I have actually two files here that are representing my genome. And what I want to do is create a synthetic version of this genome that has these variants that have the question and answer through this agentic flow that I want to get at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, please add, and then this is going to be this variant to, and this is a small variant, so it's going to come through here and create a new file in a new folder. And we're going to call this dan cf.live.vcf.gz. And we're going to have this be dan cf live. And we're actually asking AI to help us create the eval for AI. So we're going to do this. And what the model is going to do is a variance file is literally just a text file. Actually, we can see what it looks like here, just for fun. So while this is running, let's just take a look just so we know what these variant files look like. And this is fine. We don't need to show all of it. But what we basically see here is a chromosome. So you might remember from things like 23andMe, we have 23 chromosomes. So this is one, this is the biggest one. And this is a position. So your chromosomes have different number of bases. You might remember we have like 3 billion bases in our genome. And then these are swaps. So what we see is in this position, a reference human has C, and I have a CA here. So that means that, during something I inherited from my parents, or maybe something that emerged during my development, I got a base swapped here. And then there's a bunch of metrics around quality, how real it is. You might remember you have 2 copies of each gene. So this is actually heterozygous, meaning only 1 copy is impacted. And, really, it's just a text file of all of the letters in your alphabet. And what I'm saying is I want to add, okay, this is still running. And if this is still running, in a while, I'll just use the pre-baked one, is I just want to add this particular variant into my genome to see if our system can catch it.
I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.